Jai Shri Mataji. Let us collectively raise our kundalinis and give ourselves a bandhan. Shri Mataji. We, your children, from all around the world, offer to you our pranams, our love, our obeisance. As we worship you for the next few days, in your most divine, auspicious form, as Shri Ganesha, and in your fierce and powerful form, as Shri Kartikeya. O Holy Mother, please guide our meditations to cleanse, purify, nourish, enlighten, and awaken our individual Muladhara Chakra and the Muladhara Chakra of the Virata, our collective Muladhara. Shri Mataji, please forgive us for any mistakes. Please accept our love and worship. Jai Shri Mataji. We begin with our attention at the base of the spine, asking Shri Ganesha to fully open our Muladhara Chakra, to establish our self-realization at the very root. Mantra, Shri Ganesha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Ganesha Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Let us focus the full power of our attention on the Muladhara chakra. As we offer Shri Ganesh Atharva Shirsha,
ॐ नमस्ते गणपतये त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं तत्त्वमसि त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं धर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि त्वमेव सर्वं खल्विदं ब्रह्मासि त्वं साक्षादात्मासि नित्यं ऋतं वच्मि सत्यं वच्मि अवत्वं मामवक्तारम् अवश्रोतारम् अवदातारम् अवधातारम् अवानुचानमवशिष्यम् अवपश्चातात् अवपुरस्तात् अवोत्तरातात् अवदक्षिणातात् अवचोर्ध्वातात् अवाधरातात् सर्वतो मां पाहि पाहि समं तात त्वं वाङ्मयस्त्वं चिन्मयः त्वम् आनन्दमयस्त्वं ब्रह्ममयः त्वं सच्चिदानन्दाद्वितीयोऽसि त्वं प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वं ज्ञानमयो विज्ञानमयोऽसि सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तो जायते सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तस्तिष्ठति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि लयमेष्यति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि प्रत्येति त्वं भूमिरापो नलो नीलो नभः त्वं चत्वारि वाक्पदानि त्वं गुणत्रयातीतः त्वं देहत्रयातीतः त्वं कालत्रयातीतः त्वं मूलाधारस्थितोऽसि नित्यं त्वं शक्तित्रयात्मकः त्वां योगिनो ध्यायन्ति नित्यं त्वं ब्रह्मा त्वं विष्णुस्त्वं रुद्रस्त्वम् इन्द्रस्त्वम् अग्निस्त्वं वायुस्त्वं सूर्यस्त्वं चन्द्रमास्त्वं ब्रह्म भूर्भुवस्वरों गणादीन् पूर्वमुच्चार्य वर्णादीन् तदनन्तरम् अनुस्वारः परतरः अर्धेन्दुलसितं तारेण रुद्रम् एतत्तव मनुस्वरूपं गकारः पूर्वरूपम् अकारो मध्यमरूपम् अनुस्वारशान्त्यरूपं बिन्दुरुत्तररूपं नादः सन्धानं संहिता सन्धिः सैषा गणेशविद्या गणकऋषिः निच्छिद्गायत्री छन्दः गणपतिर्देवता ॐ गं गणपतये नमः एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ती प्रचोदयात् एकदन्तं चतुर्हस्तं पाशम् अंकुशधारिणं रदं च वरदं हस्तैर्विभ्राणं मूषकध्वजं रक्तं लम्बोदरं शूर्पकर्णकं रक्तवाससं रक्तगन्धानुलिप्ताङ्गं रक्तपुष्पैः सुपूजितं भक्तानुकम्पिनं देवं जगत्कारणम् अच्युतम् आविर्भूतं च सृष्टादौ प्रकृतेः पुरुषात् परम् एवं ध्यायति यो नित्यं स योगी योगिनां वरः नमो व्रातपतये नमो गणपतये नमः प्रमथपतये नमस्ते अस्तु लम्बोदराय एकदन्ताय विघ्ननाशिने शिवसुताय श्रीवरदमूर्तये नमः। साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः।
Let us continue to focus our attention on the Muladhara Chakra. From our own Muladhara Chakra, let us slowly shift our attention heads bowed in humility and asking for permission. We can put our attention on Shri Mataji's Muladhara Chakra. O Holy Mother, only you can establish the powerful presence of Shri Ganesha, your son, on the Muladhara Chakra of all the Sajogis.
Today is a very unique thing that is happened. It is a special luck for Sahajogis of Australia. This day has never been celebrated before in the history of Sahaja. Today is the New Year's Day for Sahajogis because this is the New Year's Day of the Shalivahan calendar. As you know, Shalivahan is my dynasty, and they are called as Shalivahan because they are the carriers of the shawls of the goddess. They are called as this because as you are also carrying so many times my shawls around, and they are called as Shalivahan. So this New Year's Day is the first day of Advent of Goddess. 9 days there are. Then in another time, like there are Satyayug, then there are Dwapar, Treta, Kaliyug. There are 4 yugas. So in 2 yugas, the goddess incarnated. One before the Satyuga and one after. So today is the day to mark absolutely the first day when she incarnated. That's the day also of the Gauri, because Virgin is the first form of the goddess. And she created also Ganesha on Tuesday, just starting this week. What is the date? Day today is today.
Saturday.
Huh?
Saturday. Saturday.
Saturday. Now it's over. Now don't stay. All right. While I'm speaking, you should not take my photographs. It's a very wrong idea because it disturbs me. Moreover, see, while I'm speaking, and when you take my photographs, sometimes I've seen they come out very odd. Just take photographs when I'm not speaking. You see, because all the time the sound is coming, everybody is distracted, and the attention doesn't fix. You see, it's a very important thing I'm talking. All right. Now, don't take any photographs, please. Pay attention to what I'm saying. आज कौन सा दिवस है? आज कौन सा दिवस है? आज तारीख में दिवस कौन सा है? शनिवार. So Tuesday is the day when Ganesha was established, and then the goddess started working. The first one, the one day when she started was the Wednesday. She started working out on Wednesday. Wednesday is the action day. That's why she started on Wednesday. Today is, under the circumstances, it is Saturday. But I am telling you about the original timings. Because Wednesday is the day of the Swadhisthana. That's the day she started working it out, the whole thing. So first Tuesday is the first day in Sahaja Yoga, Wednesday is the second day. And you will be surprised that the stars are also the same, because Tuesday is the day of the Mars, which is decided by Sri Ganesh. Wednesday is the day of Mercury, and Mercury is the Swadhisthana. Third day is the day of Jupiter. We call it Guru. It's the day of the Guru. Jupiter is the teacher. Now, Friday is the day of the goddess. Now see the chakras also of the goddess, mother of the earth, mother of the universe, Venus. But in Indian Sanskrit language, the names of the days are exactly the same, tallying with the stars. So, then Saturday is the day of Sri Krishna. Shani is Saturn. Then Sunday is the day of Christ, the Son. Monday is the day of Sadashiva, days of realization, of integration. These are the 7 days when God created the whole universe. That's what I told yesterday, that in this narrow way you cannot understand Christianity. You will think it's all mad, which is not. Only when you read other things, other scriptures, then only you will understand what Christ said. So today is the day of first of when Ganesha was created, in the sense that though today is not a Tuesday, but according to dates of the moon, today is the day, first day of the moon in this month. Kunsa Mahina? Chaitra. We call it Chaitra. Chaitra is the month. And this is the time when Chaitratas Gauri Ganapati is Statan. Chaitra no Bhadrapada. Gauri asti Chaitra. So the establishment of the Gauri is taken place during these 9 days. But Ganesha has to be established before anything else. Though first Gauri had to come. You can see that. Gauri had to come first to establish Ganesha. But Ganesha is always put before even Gauri. Before the pujana or the worship of the Ganesha, nothing starts. Because he is the one who takes out all the obstacles, all the negativities, all the hurdles that are going to come, all the attentions that are here and there. So that's why we first worship Ganesha, just to ask him to protect us. But first the Gauri has to come, and that's how the Gauri is these 9 days. She came on this earth to fight devils and demons, negativity, for people to transcend the Bhavasagar, the void, the Maya, the illusion. When they were praying, when they were doing anything, people used to obstruct. And then they troubled the bhaktas, the devotees of God, Rakshasas. In those days, the Rakshasas were separate and the saints were separate. There was not such a mixture as it is today. We find in saints there are negativity sitting there. It was never so before. This is Kali Yuga. It's such a confusion that there is no absolute saint or there is no absolute Rakshasa. These Rakshasas have come and sitting in our heads. They are within us. So the negativity is there. So we are not absolute saints. This is the big problem of Sahaja Yoga, is that even when you are worshipping me, try to be more on the saints than on the negative side. Try to be more on the saintly side. Because you are saints, no doubt, but these horrible things have somehow or other gone into your heads, and they are sitting in your superego or ego. These horrible negativities, which you must really decide today, throw them out. Because we are really saints, and these are the bad spots, kalanka, the thing that really ruins you is within you. So try to throw it away. Try to become positive. Be one with the puja. The second thing is the importance of this day is that I have never celebrated this first day anywhere. So it was to be in Australia. The It is the right of Australia to have this day celebrated here. We had a
Let us collectively sing the three great mantras. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Mahalakshmi Mahasaraswati Mahakali Trigunatmika Kundalini Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Om Tvameva Sakshat श्री कल्की साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्रीकल्की साक्षात् श्रीसहस्रार स्वामिनी मोक्षप्रदायिनी माता जी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। This concludes the online portion for today's meditation. We will continue to meditate upon our collective Muladhara Chakra through Sunday, October 14. Please encourage everyone that you can to join us in this effort to support the students of the ISPS school in India who are leading this global, worldwide initiative. We can offer namaskar to Shri Mataji, raise our kundalinis, and give ourselves a bandhan. Jai Shri Mataji.